Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. It's Irina here, and this is the channel where you can find tons of different recipes, tips and tricks for your beauty and overall health. In this video we're talking about beauty. In particular, we're talking about clay masks. Well, I have a lot of clay mask recipes on my channel, and I really need to clarify one very important thing, especially if you're into clay masks and you do them frequently. Well, first of all, clay mask is a very simple way to do any kind of mask. It's specifically good for people with oily combination and acne-prone skin. People who have dry skin sometimes, most of the times, would say that the clay is a little bit more irritating, even drying. When we're talking about the clay, right, it means that it definitely is sucking like all the gunk from your pores, and it might feel really good. And in the recipes, when you have, say, wait until the clay mask dries out completely, right, which means that this is when you have this like face looks like a stone and it really cracks all over, and obviously there would be some mimics involved in that, so this is definitely not good. Why? Well, the first reason is that when the clay is completely dry, it doesn't really do nothing. It doesn't suck any gunk out of the oil of your pores. It doesn't do that. What it does, it's actually will take the moisture out of your skin, and as the result, even if you have excessively oily skin, in the long run it would lead to skin dehydration, which I'm not saying oily skin will become dry. It will be still oily, it might still acne prone, but it will be dehydrated, so you will have another problem on your hands. Not only acne or enlarged pores, you would also have your skin dehydrated, where like peeling in certain areas might develop. So this is obviously not good, and you do not want to do that. The thing is that when the clay actually dries out pretty fast, so when it does, it narrows this pore opening, and it doesn't really is taking anything out. Nothing, everything stays in. So the rule of thumb here is that the clay mask would provide your skin with minerals and really getting rid of the excess oil only when it's wet. Here is the thing. There are like several phases of your clay mask to work. The first one is when the clay is damp. It's like the best mask. It's working on the oil. It's nourishing, infuses your skin with minerals. The second phase, it's when it starts drying a little bit. That might be also pleasant feeling, a little bit cooling, maybe something like that. And then the third phase, and then when it's completely dry. So for this reason, the technique is really very simple. So you would need to take a spray bottle with just water. It could be rose water, but this is a pretty big bottle of water. So the first thing, you take the clay mask and you apply it on your skin in a thick layer. Why? Because the drying process will be slowed down. So then in the process of your clay mask to work, if you really want to pull it through like 10 minutes, right, 15 minutes, you would spray water. Mineral water actually is also good on your face. Just use it, sprinkle it, and then the mask will become damp again. There's also another technique when you can put like some cotton cloth on top of the clay mask. It will also prolong the effectiveness of the mask. But I mean, it's kind of not very convenient, I think, especially for at-home use. Another tip, you could also add oils. Not essential oils, I mean like carrier oils that would be specifically good for your skin, like jojoba oil or grapeseed oil, something that would be really not comedogenic. If you follow these rules, you would definitely get all the benefits from the clay mask. It would not dry out the moisture from your epidermis, and you really would be ending up with a very happy, good-looking, glowing skin. I would also mention that white clay is probably like the most ever gentle clay out there, and the green clay is specifically good for oily skin and combination skin. But nonetheless, I would say do not go crazy and do the clay mask like every single day. Maybe try to do once or twice per week. When you see that your skin clears out or you don't have that much oil, do not really go crazy at using them so very often. Just again to avoid that dehydration. This is especially good when this is the winter months, when combination skin is supposed to be treated more as normal skin, and so maybe summer months, humid months are like the best bet for the clay masks. So I hope you guys like this recipe, a huge bottle for spraying your face, and I wish you guys to stay very happy and healthy. If you have any questions, just let me know. I will be sharing one of the great clay masks for oily and combination skin very soon. So if you like this video, put a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you later. Bye.